Hey, what's up guys? My name is RAGEMODE and welcome to my Soundteams masterclass. I'm going to walk you through my process of combining two worlds, orchestra and drum and bass. I want to cover the different elements of what it takes to sort of combine those two different genres, how I write the music, how I sort of come up with idea. I also want to go through my template and all the different sections I use in an orchestra, and also show which kind of contact libraries I use and how to get the best out of them. That's exactly the feeling which I wanted to get. Go from the basic piano and together with all the elements to this more of the intimate feeling, and I think that's a good one. I've been making music for around 14 years now. Started out back in the days as a classic EDM artist. I explored a bit of every genre and I eventually made my switch back in, I believe, 2019, 2020 sort of, around the time when I got to know Matthews and Cameron Crooked. Since we are from the same country, they introduced me to the wonderful land of drum and bass, and I've been making drum and bass ever since. And I think altogether this just sounds fantastic. Next to drum and bass, I'm mainly a producer for other people. So I do production together with people or for artists, sort of as a ghost producer, and I also do a lot of mixing and mastering.